Uniting creative minds. A journey together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and inspiring phrase that often lights up the worlds of art, innovation, and collaboration. Creative minds unite. It's more than just a call to action. It's a beacon for all the thinkers, dreamers, and creators out there. Let's explore its depth and how it can transform our approach to creativity and teamwork. Before we delve into the heart of our topic, let's break down what we mean by creative minds. Creative minds are individuals who think outside the box, innovate, and imagine. They are not confined by the conventional and are always on the lookout for new ways to express ideas, solve problems, and make the world a more interesting place. Creativity is not just about art or literature. It spans every field, from science and technology to business and education. Now, let's talk about the essence of unite. To unite means to come together, join forces, or collaborate towards a common goal or purpose. When creative minds unite, they share their unique perspectives, skills, and ideas, creating a powerful synergy that can lead to breakthroughs, innovations, and masterpieces. Unity and creativity fosters an environment where ideas can flourish, challenges can be overcome more easily, and individuals can grow both personally and professionally. The phrase, "creative minds unite," is more than just a call to gather. It's a principle that underlines the importance of collaboration in the creative process. It reminds us that when we combine our talents and visions, we can achieve greater things than we could alone. This unity can take many forms, from a group of artists working on a collective piece, to scientists collaborating on research, to entrepreneurs brainstorming for the next big idea. It's about building a community that values diversity, encourages sharing, and supports one another's creative endeavors. So, how can we bring creative minds together? It starts with fostering an open, inclusive, and supportive environment. Encourage dialogue, share your ideas without fear, and be open to the ideas of others. Participate in or create forums, workshops, and collaborative projects that invite diverse contributions. Remember, the goal is not just to unite for the sake of unity but to create a melting pot where creativity can thrive and produce something truly remarkable. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Creative Minds Unite. We hope this video has inspired you to reach out, collaborate, and create with others. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, and when we come together, the possibilities are endless. Let's make the world a brighter, more innovative place together. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and never stop uniting.